Hello guys, in today's video we will see what is flex template, like a very short explanation of flex template, and we'll see how it is different from the record summary and field generation template. And I will also discuss one simple use case scenario for the flex template. Okay, so first let me explain what is flex template. So we use this flex template when we want to ground our prompt with the dynamic data. That means when we want to really refer our Salesforce data or any other verified trusted data source data in this prompt, then we use the flex template because it will support to refer five unrelated objects from the Salesforce. That means in one single prompt you can refer five different objects data, which is why this flex template is very dynamic. Okay, and you can use this flex template for sending your inputs to the prompt template, which is flex template, and then flex template will be used in the flows. So that flows will send output to the flex template. So based on that output, this prompt will be modified, and then prompt will give us different output. So this flex template can be integrated with the LWC, Apex flows, and everything I'm saying. Okay, so this is very important and very useful and easier template. So first let's discuss a scenario and then I'll explain you how is it different from the record summary and the field generation. Okay, for example, if I go to any account, so without not clicking any contacts and opportunities and cases, if I just get the summary of this whole account, its contacts, its opportunities, and its cases, then how easier it will be, right? So for example, I have a button here called like summarize this whole information, or like any quick action like summary. So if I click that summary, everything information, like the whole information should be populated in this field so that I can just read that field, or the whole information should be displayed on the screen. Okay, anyway, okay, now here you'll understand like how is it different from the record summary. So record summary also giving the summary, and why is it again the flex template here. So here our use case is like that, like we are using contacts, opportunities, and cases information to like summarize it. We can also use the same thing, same scenario, but slightly different. For example, if I want to send newsletter to this contact based on all the case information, like this person has 10 different cases, and we want to send newsletter articles of these related 10 cases to this contact. So how long it will take? So you should go to every account, you should check the account contact, and then you should check the cases, so it will take like lot of time. So how simpler and easier it will be just with just a one click, like if you just click summary, and then it will just draft everything information, and then you can use that newsletter. Okay, so which is why we use the flex template. So record summary means it will give you the summary of just this record, not all the related objects. So here flex template will support five unrelated object references. Okay, and this is about record summary and the flex. Then in our use case, we are saying like it will when you click summary, it will populate the information here. How is this different from the field generation template? Okay, so field generation template is when you have to type in your opinion, or when you have to type in some information, you don't have to type everything. So with just one click, AI will generate you the response, and then you can use it. That is just for one field. It's not for like summary. Because if you choose field generation summary, you cannot choose all different objects, and then you cannot summarize the whole. That's a scenario wise. When it comes to scenario, we have chosen that way. So it's not like the same scenario is in different cases, then how do we use and which one is used. So we have different distinguishness between each one. Record summary is just for one record. Field generation means it's more of like a data entry. Okay, and flex template is for everything else, like whenever you want to ground the data dynamically. Okay, this is what the complete difference and conceptual notes. Okay, now okay, now let's see how to create a flex template, and we will complete the use case in this video itself. So what I wanted to explain first is, we'll see the use case. So I have a summary field, rich text field. Sorry, this is a text area field. So I want to populate this field information with all the contacts, opportunities, and cases summary. Okay. So, for example, if I have 100 contacts and 100 opportunities, I should go into every contact and I should go into every opportunity and check, and I have to take the summary, and then I have to put it in the limited characters, right? So it will take like so much time when it comes to one single account. Then how do we do this using the flex template? So we'll create a quick action when that user click on that button quick action that should take the prompt template, take the input from this account, and then it should populate this summary information. Okay. Based on the length, we'll try to split. I'll try to split the video. Okay. First, let's go to prompt builder. Click on setup. Go to prompt. Click on new prompt template. Here, choose flex. Here, account, opportunity, contact, case, summary. I just named it this way. Okay. It's your wish. So write description. This template will summarize the account of account and all its related opportunities, contacts, cases. Okay. Now what should be the input? We should send the account, right? Account. We just need account. Okay. Now next. Now here if you see input is account and the model is this one. It's your wish if you want to change the model. Now I'll write. So now let's see this prompting. So we have chosen the account as input, right? So if we click insert resource and then click on the account, then it will show all the fields of the account, and then also it will show the related list, cases, contacts, entitlements, and opportunities. And these are relationship fields. Okay. So see, with just one input, I'm able to fetch all its related objects, like multiple objects. So now we will just write simple prompt. Okay. Summarize the account and its opportunities, contacts, and cases in 200 words, let's say. And then I'll add opportunities as insert resource, account, scroll to the bottom, opportunities. Then contacts, insert resource, account, scroll to the bottom, choose contacts, and then cases, insert resource, and scroll. You should see case, and then okay. This is the simple prompt, but I'm telling you again. So this is not the way how you write prompt. So in order whenever we are writing a prompt, the best way as a prompt engineer, how you have to write is first you should give a role to an agent, like uh, you are so and so agent. You are like, or you are a sales agent. I want you to do this. Here is the data. And then you'll add all the instructions like do not do that, do not do this, or whatever, do that. Okay. And then at last you should say use only the data which I've provided in the prompt, and you should not add the information or delete the information just to make sure that AI is not hallucinating. Okay. That's how you write the prompt. This is just for video purpose to understand like what is the flex template. Okay. Now we have written this, click on save and then preview and then choose one account here. I'm choosing this account. So this is the account. So it has one contact, it has two opportunities, and it has two cases and zero entitlements. And anyways, we are not using this one now. So these three. So let's see what the prompt will generate. Click on preview again. So let's wait for the response. Okay. See, it has given a short summary like the account includes two significant opportunities. The first opportunity with Blue Sky. So, in short, So in terms of contacts, there's only one primary contact, which is correct. And the account also features two cases, which is correct. Addresses on incorrect, charge on invoice, and is currently working status. So see how in just 200 words it has generated the entire summary. So this is our prompt. When it comes to the secure data retrieval phase, it has fetched the records, whatever we have given here, and then it has replaced it with the original data. And but when it comes to response, again, it has given us a simple summarized response, like whatever we have given to the uh, prompt, like just we told summarized, right? That one. So I'm good with this. So let's activate this one. Okay, this is now activated. Okay, now let's go ahead and, sorry, I was testing, yeah, just one more thing. I was testing whenever I have created this template, I was not able to see the related list directly. Okay. So what the issue is, like, for example, even if you also have this issue, try something adding, try some adding like point or so and letter, click save, refresh your page, and then you will see the related list. I had to figure out this and it took me a lot of time. Like, I did not know that refresh would work. So yeah, refresh will fix this related issue. Now let's go to the account. Now this is the summary we got. Let's go to the setup and quickly create a flow. Okay, so now let me tell you what I'm doing here. We have got this prompt, right? So we'll create one flow, and this flow will be used as a quick action, and we will add that quick action here. So whenever you click that quick action, summary will be generated and it should be updated in this summary field. This is what we want to do. Okay. Um, so now let's create a screen flow. Click on this new flow, screen automations and screen flow. So first, as soon as the user clicks on the quick action, the record ID should be passed, right? So let's create one input variable, record ID. This e this is an input variable. Data type is text, available for input should be checked, and done. Now let's get the account record. I'll tell you why in a minute. Get account record and then type in account ID equals to record ID, click save. Flow is screen flow account record summary, and then hit save. So why we have fetched the account record is, if we go to the prompt template, we are sending the whole account record as an input. So that's why I have fetched the account record here. Now I got the account record. So let's send it to the prompt template. Click on the action. So here, whatever the template you have given, the name, the same name you should type it here. You'll get the prompt summary. Label as account summary action. So now pass the account record which you have fetched here. That's it. Just pass the whole record. Now here we have two ways to capture the response. One is you can manually save it to some value, okay, some variable. You can create a new resource, new variable, and you can store it to that variable, or just uncheck it. So when you uncheck this, the action will have the output, okay, output already. So I will use that output instead of storing it in a variable. So now I will add screen to display to the users. Screen count summary screen. Let's see. All right, now I'll add some display text. So here is display message. So here I'll see, you see this outputs from response. This is what I wanted to show to the users. And let's configure our footer. We don't want any pause. We don't want any previous. For finish, let's say Okay. And then hit save. Now the summary is ready. Once you just click save, I want to make sure that this summary is updated to the account record, right? Account record, that field, summary field. Now update records, update, update summary field, right? Record what? This record I want to update. Or I can also specify the conditions like this. So I will use this one. Why? Because I'm just updating one field and I do not have any collection variable here or any transform actions to update the whole account collection. So ID, record ID, and what the field value summary is, whatever the output we have received, that response. Save. Okay, this is a, yeah, sometimes it does that. Okay, now this is saved. Let's quickly debug this thing. This is the ID. Oh, I'm so sorry. I have shared it as account record summary, right? Yeah. Debug, enter the ID, run. So it did give us the response. Click on OK, and then it will also showing us that this will be updated to this. Okay, this is fine. Let's activate this one. Okay. Activate. Okay, now I'm not sure why this org is having very. Okay, this flow is activated. Now quickly let's jump into the actions. New action. Now here we have to invoke the flow, right? So yeah, if you choose like only screen flows will be displayed here. So it choose this because that's the one we are, and label will choose summary, just short name, and then save it. Okay, and now go to this account, click on edit page. Now here if you choose this one, highlights panel, I'll upgrade it. Account layout, finish. So we have too many quick actions. I'll remove you. Okay. Link question not needed, link not needed. Let's add our action, which is custom action, right? So scroll to the summary. Yeah, object specific quick actions, summary, and then hit save. Let's keep our very first. Okay. I'll remove few more quick actions. Okay. Now save, activate. Okay, it's already assigned as our default. So click back. Now let's refresh. So the summary is already, because we have debugged this record, let's choose one more account. I have not run the flow in rollback method mode, sorry. So we have two cases, we have one opportunity, we have one contact. And then we see the quick action and summary field is empty. Click on summary. It should display as the whole summary. The account presents a structured overview of opportunity, contact, and cases. In terms of opportunities, there is only one. Yes, we have only one opportunity. Regarding the contacts, there is only one contact listed. That is also correct. And the account includes two cases, which is 1027 and where is the other one? 1026. Now I click OK. So see, summary is updated. And then we have two cases, 27 and 26. So see, with just one click, we got all the records, summary, and then that was stored here. See how simple this is using the Flex template. Thanks for watching.